In the last 5 years, Stellantis has faced a notable 39% sales decline, with Jeep and Dodge suffering even more significant drops of 44 and 67%, respectively. The pandemic-induced overproduction resulted in Stellantis accumulating 1.4 million unsold vehicles, creating financial strain for dealerships loaded with outdated and unmarketable stock. To maintain profit margins, Stellantis raised vehicle prices, which alienated their loyal customer base and exacerbated the ongoing decline in both sales and market interest. As Stellantis's prices climbed, customers began seeking more budget-friendly options from competitors like Ford and Toyota, contributing to a substantial loss of market share. Dealers are growing increasingly frustrated over dwindling foot traffic and sales, blaming Stellantis's high pricing for significantly harming their business operations. Internal tensions are on the rise as dealers openly criticize CEO Carlos Tavares for focusing on short-term profits rather than the long-term health of Stellantis and its relationships with dealers. Additionally, dealers are voicing concerns about Stellantis's insufficient support and ineffective policies, feeling abandoned as they grapple with unsellable inventory and mounting financial pressures. The redesign of iconic Dodge and Jeep models has ignited controversy among devoted fans, who believe the alterations undermine the brand's core identities. Many are now choosing to stick with older models. Industry analysts anticipate considerable turmoil within Stellantis stemming from declining customer satisfaction and dealer frustrations. Without substantial changes, the company may confront a challenging road ahead. The cultural heritage of Jeep and Dodge hangs in the balance, as loyal customers question the brand's values amid Stellantis's push towards luxury features that dilute their historical significance. Moreover, Stellantis's shift to efficient models risks alienating core enthusiasts who cherish powerful vehicles, thus jeopardizing the identity that solidified Jeep and Dodge's positions in the automotive landscape. Dealers are becoming increasingly vocal about their dissatisfaction with Stellantis's corporate strategies, feeling unsupported as they attempt to market vehicles, losing their appeal. This widening disconnect jeopardizes the company's market presence. The push toward electrification poses a potential risk to Stellantis's existing customer base, particularly among those loyal to high-performance brands like Dodge and Jeep, who express skepticism about the potential of electric vehicles. CEO Carlos Tavares is under scrutiny as concerns mount about his leadership and strategy, particularly regarding cost-cutting measures that could adversely affect Stellantis's reputation and customer loyalty. While Stellantis grapples with its internal challenges, competitors such as Ford and GM are capitalizing on market share by presenting customer-centric alternatives at competitive prices and innovatively designed models. As these competitors continue to gain traction with appealing alternatives and technology, Stellantis's slow response to this shift is becoming increasingly detrimental to their consumer attraction. The financial instability at Stellantis has led to discussions about potential restructuring, including the possibility of phasing out underperforming brands, a move that could substantially redefine its brand portfolio. Ultimately, Stellantis must reconnect with its brand identity and consumer loyalty to preserve its cultural significance in the automotive market, placing the legacy of brands like Dodge and Jeep at serious risk.